A ceiling fan can make a room more comfortable and enhance the decor, but until now, installing one has been complicated and expensive.
Now there's a simple way to do it yourself. The Westinghouse Instalock Ceiling Fan. What was once a challenging job is now easy enough for just about anyone.
Because of its simplified design and some clever pre-assembly at the factory, there are fewer parts for you to assemble. Most fans have 50 or 60 parts. The Westinghouse Instalock Ceiling Fan has only about 15 parts, including the light kit and the glass shades.
The Instalock system makes wiring and hanging the fan easy. The mounting bracket not only makes hanging the canopy quick and easy, but also simplifies the wiring process. As with any electrical job, the very first step is determining what electrical circuit you'll be working on and disconnecting the power at the electrical panel. It's also a good idea to make sure that no one reconnects the power accidentally. Once the power is off, remove the old fixture and disconnect the wiring. Make sure the fixture box is rated for a ceiling fan. The Instalock system requires a box that can hold up to 35 pounds. Be sure to consult an electrician if you have any questions about your electrical system. The Westinghouse Instalock Ceiling Fan comes equipped with a down rod between the canopy and the fan motor housing, and most people prefer to install the fan that way. But directions for other mounting options are included with the instructions.
With the power off, connect the wires in the ceiling to the corresponding terminals on the mounting bracket. Once all the connections are made, set the mounting bracket in position and screw it into the ceiling. Unlike most ceiling fans, installing the Instalock is an easy job for one person. Carefully lift the fan assembly onto the mounting bracket. Rotate the fan until the notch on the down rod ball engages the ridge on the mounting bracket. This will allow for freehand wiring. With the bracket holding the fan assembly, attach the male-female plug connectors from the fan to those leading from the terminal block. Raise the canopy up and align the 4 holes in the canopy with the holes in the mounting bracket. Secure with the screws provided.
With other ceiling fans, you can spend up to a half hour assembling the blades, brackets, washers, and screws and attaching them to the fan. But with a Westinghouse Instalock system, the blades come screwed into the brackets.
And with the typical fan, you would need to screw each bracket to the fan. But with this kit, you just insert the end of each bracket into the slot and turn the flywheel to lock them in one by one until you're done. Instead of 30 minutes, it shouldn't take much more than 30 seconds.
The last step is to attach the glass shades for the light kit. Usually that involves 3 or 4 little set screws for each shade, but the Westinghouse Instalock system simplifies that too. The shades simply twist on. Screw in your light bulbs and you're ready to go. With fewer parts to worry about, simple connections, and the Instalock installation system, you can go from a boring static fixture to a beautiful new motion fixture in a matter of minutes.
A ceiling fan provides valuable air movement that keeps you cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. You can save energy and increase comfort while adding a dramatic design element to your home. It couldn't be simpler or faster with the new Westinghouse Instalock Ceiling Fan.